Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Great bit of kit we've developed here. Okay, it's just a pulley holder modified to do your Harleys. Okay, so basically this is a tool cut out a bit to show you easier from this side. What's going to happen, these are going to fit into your teeth. Okay, they are high quality steel, not the usual Chili Wong ones. Okay, so this is going to go in like this. It's a bit awkward with one finger, or one hand I should say, if you get the drift. Okay, that's going to basically go in there. Okay, now once that's in there, believe me, I've used these for years. This will not damage the pulley and you will be able to get that nut off. So this will actually go on this way, or you can have it the other way as well, obviously. Okay, so you could have it the other way, and basically that will allow you to hold this pulley without damaging the drive belt or anything pulling against the drive belt. And then with your whizzy tool, obviously our sockets that we do, you can easily undo this. If you watch the video, you will see me use one of these tools. Okay, but the other way of doing it obviously is you could put it the other way around. So by modifying the teeth as we have, you can see that will also work. Okay, so this is really solidly in there. You can obviously wedge that against something, get your big impact gun, and these will not get bent or damaged because this is actually what I use. Okay, give us a call, 01773 835 customcruisers.com, or the new site CustomCruisersLimited. And obviously this will do smaller bikes as well. Okay, so you could actually get flywheels for a moped or something as well with the thing. But we've just basically modified this to take the big Harleys, you know, the big Harley pulleys off. But when you're doing the belts, etc., and you want to change the pulley and all the seals behind it, so that you can do up nice and tight. As you can see, that is very well on there and in the grooves. Okay, that there, I think I will relieve that actually. Needs a little bit more out of there looking at this, so that will be ground out a bit more. Okay, you can get the gist, and I can assure you these things work. If you watch the videos, you'll see me using them. 01773 835 customcruisers.com, or the new site CustomCruisersLimited. Thank you.